Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you all for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I have another fun project to share with you all, and it's a really cute teeny mini flip book with a top loading pocket. It uses one piece of 6x6 paper for this project, and it's really easy and quick as well to make. As most of my other 6x6 flipbook projects, you don't have to use a 6x6 paper. You can make them in other sizes as well. I only made them with the 6x6 papers because we all have a whole heap of 6x6 paper pads, and I thought this is just a great way to use up those papers to make these really fun interactive flip books. And I'll show you the ones that I've made, and then I'll also show you how you could make one of these as well with your 6x6 papers. So this one here is the first one that I made. It measures 3 inches by 3 inches. It's a really fun size, and you still can add your goodies in here and have fun embellishing and decorating your pages. So I've embellished the front part here, and then the next page is another part where I embellished, and I also embellished this side. And this is the top loading pocket. And I did use my paper scraps to make the bag topper for the packaging for these embellishments that I've packaged. And then you just close it back up that way, and then you turn it that way, and you have another place here where you can also add a pocket or an envelope. I just used an ephemera to make a little tuck spot here for some of these ephemeras, and then I embellished this side here. And then the next page is another page that I embellished. And then you can just go back and then go back that way. And then you can go back this way, go back that way, and then go back that way, or that way. And you still have your pocket still in the middle there. So that's one of them that I've made. And then this is the other one, which I still haven't quite finished, and I made a belly band with some vellum to make a closure for this flip book. And I've got some Velcro here just to keep the belly band closed. And this is the other one that I've made, and then I just used some foam dots to adhere the heart to give it some dimension. And then on this side I made a little pocket on this side of the page. And then I embellished this side, and there's your pocket on the top here. And I did make this as well using my scraps to embellish the tag. And then that closes that way, and then you turn it that way. I've embellished this side, and this is a little envelope. And then this is the part here that I still need to embellish. And then you can just go back and go that way, and then go that way and go that way. So it's like an accordion style fold with a middle pocket. So I'm going to show you how you can make one of these with your 6x6 paper. So what you need to do is, with your 6x6 paper, you're just going to simply cut it in half. So you'll get 2 pieces at 3 inches by 6 inches. And then we're just going to simply fold both of these papers in half. I did score mine just so that I could give it a nice fold. So you want to fold it in half, and you just want to make sure your papers line up really well too, and they all line up evenly. And then you do the same with the other side. You're going to fold that in half. It really is a really simple project. And what makes it look really fun and pretty is the way you also decorate, embellish them, and add your goodies. Alright, so now you've got that one and you have this one. You're just going to grab some glue. If you're going to use double-sided tape, you're probably best to use the most one that's not really wide. I think there is a 1/8 of an inch width double-sided tape. So just use that one. That way you have more room for your pocket. So we're just going to grab one piece, and then you're going to adhere it or add your glue to the inside of that fold line. So just as close as you can to the fold line on the inside, and then you're going to place glue or your adhesive to the bottom, and then also to the edge of the paper. And then once that's all done, you grab your other piece and you're going to just place that below that fold line, just so that your left page can close, open and close nicely, and this will just drop into place. And then just press your papers where you place the glue, and that should just form itself into a little book, and that's really all there is to that. And then you may have a little bit of an edge of where you folded sticking out, but I think that doesn't make a difference. I think it's nice that this does stick out a little bit. And so that is how it looks like. So you've got that page. I'll just grab this so you can see where the pocket is. And then you should have a little opening. My glue hasn't stuck on properly yet. And then you should have an opening on the top here where you place the glue, and that should be for your pocket. And then you have the other side here where that's the part where you embellish and add extra pockets. And then you close that and then you open it that way. And that's how you make it. So that is the shape you want it to form. It's like a Z shape. And then you'll have that pocket up there. So that's just another fun way to make a teeny mini flip book with a 1/6 by 6 paper and with a top loading pocket. And I do hope you enjoyed this really fun tutorial, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.